Welcome back guys, Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to show you the updates for QNT, Quant, USDT trading pair with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. First of all guys, the main bull run plan for QNT I posted summer 2023. So absolutely all levels still the same. So this was the main video 8 months ago from June 2023. So absolutely the same feed, and this will be the great example. Not all coins all the time drop it inside 27 block, but like you know, I just follow my plan. I just trying to follow always the rules, accumulating my personal zone of accumulation and distributing my personal zone of distribution. If you take a risk that time, you know, in June 2022, you could withdraw initial deposit here in October 2022 and accumulate it back around zero level. So you can find out. So this was a top 428. We drop it down. This is a monthly time frame. Drop it down. Find a support in January 2022 at $84. Didn't test even 18 level by feet. $22.88. Few times here. Retest zero level. And we'll leave one monthly gap. So this one. So basically this gap still we didn't close. Maybe later, maybe now. Nobody knows the future. We got this monthly block, like a bullish one. We retested, like you can see here was a monthly gap. We retested, reject, test 38 level by FIB, and collapse it down to test 01, $84. And we didn't close even 50% of this monthly gap. Maybe in the next bear market or even after the move like this one, we can later come back and close. But not all the time we come back and close all gaps, because you can open the chart of Bitcoin, for example, and find out we still leave a lot of gaps, monthly one, around 2,000, 3,000 per coin, per Bitcoin. So it's not necessary. So we will always come back and close. Bullish targets, sooner or later, I think we will close and test this block, 256, 296. So if you take a risk and you follow your own plan and accumulate Quant here, you can start fixed profit, for example, let's say at when we will go and close fulfill 553 and test 634. So it will be only correction for this token. The main targets way higher. It can be 640, 983. Why we can move way higher? Because take a look, only 12 million coins in circulation supply. Total supply only around 15 million. So like not a big deal, right? And the market cap at this current moment less than 2 billion. The highest point of the market cap was here, exactly in September 2021. Around 5 billion market, more than real, and I'm more than sure the Quant will go and hit new all-time high and forming the over than 5 billion market cap. But I can't know the timing, you know. So yes, definitely this coin has potential, and if you invest it, you have to build a plan when to in and when to out. So if you took a risk here and you still hold this coin, congrats, maybe you made the right decision. And when we'll see the main altcoin season, yes, this can be the main targets. But of course, always build a plan when to in and when to out. Also, you have to pay attention. So this coin is not a brand new one. This is listing on Gate.io from February 2021. I think the earlier investors who bought this coin on a press sale and a public sale at $1 or under $2, they sold their coins here. So definitely now we can move way higher. Because basically not a big supply, not a big seller pressure from the early investors. But imagine if somebody still hold and still not sold his coin from 2018, 2017, they can be in just crazy gains, you know, just in a crazy profit. Take a look, ATH direction on the weekly time frame. All this time period I showed you here in June 2023, all this time period, it was a big accumulation zone, and the biggest accumulation was exactly in June 2022 at $49. So basically $49, $50, it's more than a comfortable price for the whales accumulate this coin. So, and the last one without any divergences, the last point was $83.89 at this point in October 2023. So if you worry about this coin, if you worry about some flash crash after 100% profit, you can easily withdraw initial deposit right with the free coins. Take a look on a weekly time frame. This is not a crazy seller pressure on ADZ. So basically everything looks more than good for this token. Also take a look on a monthly time frame. Why do I think so? We can move way higher because here, this is a monthly time frame and no crazy seller pressure. We just start move from accumulation block to middle line of accumulation zone, and we need to see some crazy sales here on ADZ, and only after that maybe the whales distribute their coins. So this is what about ADZ. On the market smooth here on weekly time frame, we got 2 times here depression zone, summer 2022 and August September 2023. So this was a depression zone. So if you accumulate this coin, if you track Quant with my customer care set, you could see everything by yourself. Take a look on direction. No signal to sell, even now. And this was a signals for accumulation. Now, no signal to sell on direction. And take a look at a monthly time frame. We just climbed to the middle line. It's all bullish signals, for this token. Money power, no signal to money outflow on the monthly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the same story. So this is accumulation, no signal to money outflow. So basically the whales, more than good to buy Quant even at 150. So it's more than okay for them. Trade on, based on trade on, here we got 2 signals to sell, last one, then accumulate, rejection at monthly gap, drop it down, and all this same period the whales accumulate. One more confirmations, and last indicator is take profit. So now we just start climbing up to take profit line. It's $153.97, and like you can see the lines on a weekly time frame. Start curve up after retest of 0 level, exit line. Only now it's 173, and I'm more than sure we can see even the parabolic move for this token. So personally, I'm skipping this one because of course we can't invest in any single coin, but congrats everybody who took own risk, follow own plan, and invest in Quant. We still got a huge room for growth. Accumulate or buy this coin now or not, it's only up to you, up to your own risk. So potential, if you want to accumulate now to new all-time high from this current price, it will be 337%. But you have to keep in mind, so the guys who bought in summer 2022, they will be in profit over than around 1,500, and this one will be 2,300. And if we hit 983, you will be in profit only 572% from this current price. So guys, always follow your plan. Always try accumulate in your personal zone of interest, zone of accumulation, and just mark your entry, mark your exit, step by step, or wait some time frame period if it's okay for you, or wait some specific target. Hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer care set, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.